Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonica like Dylan. We'll start by understanding the instrument itself, typically a 10-hole diatonic harmonica. You'll learn about cross-harp playing, a fundamental technique where your harmonica's key is a fourth above the song's key. We'll also focus on simple, rhythmic accompaniment rather than complex solos, which is characteristic of his style. Mastering breath control and basic note bending will be key. To master cross-harp, also known as second position, consider using a C harmonica when playing a song in G major. This allows you to access those bluesy draw notes on holes 2, 3, and 4, which are essential for the sound. A key technique is bending the 3 draw note, creating that distinctive wailing sound. Concentrate on rhythmic chugging and crafting simple, memorable melodic phrases that complement the song's structure. Integrating harmonica with your singing is a hallmark of Dylan's style. The goal is to play short, impactful harmonica breaks that fit perfectly between your vocal lines. Utilizing a harmonica rack is highly recommended, as it frees up both hands for playing guitar or other instruments. Remember to keep your harmonica parts concise, letting them serve as a rhythmic and melodic accent to the song. Smooth transitions between singing and playing are vital. Consistent practice is crucial for developing your harmonica skills. Aim for at least 15 minutes every day to build muscle memory and improve your technique. Immerse yourself in Dylan's early recordings. Listen closely to internalize his unique phrasing and rhythmic approach. Don't be afraid to experiment with various harmonica keys and positions to broaden your musical palette. Most importantly, enjoy the process of finding and developing your own distinctive harmonica voice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.